So, and that act, interestingly enough, does not even mention the word internet. So, 21 years in internet time is about 400 years in real time. So, I think you can make a commonsensical argument that it is time for a new law. And it is something that our ministry and the team at MeitY is fairly clued up on, and we have made some progress on that in terms of outlining what ought to be the framework of a new law. And I think it is realistic to expect that post the data protection bill, somewhere into the future, there will be a new digital law or something which may be even an amended IT Act. So that is to answer your question. To just quickly touch on crypto, Arnab, I just want to assure your audience and the people who are assembled here and those watching, that this is far from being a fuddy-duddy government. We are, in my opinion, this is one of the governments where, starting from the Prime Minister down to the Joint Secretary in our ministry, everybody is heavily invested in understanding technology and how technology can empower every Indian. So we kind of get it. Yeah. And we know that the power of technology to do good and to transform and empower is huge, and we want to capitalize and completely use it as much as possible. On the issue of crypto, even though it doesn't pertain to my ministry, I just want to clarify one thing. The suggested law that I've read in the newspapers does not ban crypto. It does not ban blockchain. No. Innovation around the blockchain, innovation around Web 3.0, all of that is intact, and India will be a leader in that, I can assure you. But what it has done is says that there will be a central bank digital currency. Of course. And so, in a sense, it takes away the volatility out of the picture. It takes away the speculations out of the picture, which is a good thing, because essentially you don't want the young Indian who is fascinated with Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency to be led into a speculative bubble, which is either not an asset-backed crypto or it's not a central bank-backed crypto. So there is no ban on crypto. I just wanted to tell you that.
Absolutely not. Even Nouriel Roubini, who's joining us later in the evening today, did compliment the government's attempts earlier of trying to put a legal tender to digital currency. I know, I want to push the point here.
Just one second. I just give a little PR for my government. Actually, in areas of crypto and in digital internet regulation, we are leading the world. On these IT rules, for example, Rhythm and Arnab, we are the first ones who have created rules that create this conversation about accountability of intermediaries to the users. So in a lot of ways, as the largest connected country in the world, we are leading the world and showing that